Hey guys, welcome back. For this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Morphe Glitter Fever and Metallic Heat Trios. These are liquid eyeshadows. They come in 2 different trios and each trio retail for $12. If you love the Stila liquid glitter eyeshadows, you must try these. Last year they released a trio 2 and I had people sending me messages of where they could find them because if I remember correctly, these were one of the things that sold out first. Honestly, you can't beat $12 for 3. This year they have 2 trios, one being glitter shadows and the other being metallic shadows. These can be used over eyeshadow or on their own. I love these because they make any look more dramatic. The packaging of these come in a clear tube with a doe foot applicator. You can apply the eyeshadow directly on the eye with the applicator or you can use a synthetic brush. The glitter trio is more chunky and uneven when swatched, but when applying it to a smaller area like your eye, you get a better finish. For the metallics, these were very pigmented. I do recommend not layering these too much because the formula will start to flake off. My camera really doesn't do these justice on how sparkly and pretty these are. And once again, if you're not into glitter or sparkly eyeshadows, I wouldn't recommend these. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.